Hello everyone. Hi Aquarius air sign. This is the reading for you January monthly 2021 reading, and this is general, may or may not resonate to everyone. So take what resonate and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa. So let's see your messages and what's going on. Aquarius, what are the messages for you? What of cards? So Aquarius, what's going on? Hope you are all doing good. Okay, first card, Seven of Pentacles. Okay, let's see. Seven of Cups and Six of Swords. The world. Some cycles are going to be ending, okay, in your life between you and your person. This could be long distance relationship. You both live in different cities, countries or states, okay. Some traveling is also involved in this relationship. So if you are working far away from your home. So let's see. In recent past, you invested something. You invested in your relationship, but there is no growth. I think your person may be non-committed, or they are in and out of your life. There is no commitment. That type of situation, because you are waiting for the result. You invested in that relationship, or you want to invest your money in something in career wise. Yeah, there is a lot of confusion about your person, what I'm seeing here. Seven of Cups. That's why you decided to move on from this person. Yeah, because you don't want no more confusion from that person. Yeah, you literally fed up with that energy, because there is no commitment, there is no stability. You are in so much confusion. Maybe you person seeing other options. Yeah, some communication is coming in recent past. You both are maybe talked with each other. So let's see what's going between you and your person. Definitely still you have strong emotions for your person, because Queen of Cups, and you are always there for your person in this connection. And yeah, you are very caring and giving person. But Five of Wands with Ten of Swords, I think there is a lot of drama going between you and your person, because Five of Wands is drama. I think he is non-committal, what I'm getting here. That is, you fed up with that energy. You decided to complete this. Yeah, there is some completion between you and your person, because you are done with it. Yeah, that's why you are decided to move on. Yeah, because you are stuck. Literally in near future also you are stuck. Every time you are giving second chance to this person, but you are feeling stuck. There is no commitment, what I'm seeing here. But somehow, what is the good news here? Nine of Cups. Yeah, some transformation is going to be happen in your life. Some transformation. Death card. Yeah, some endings, but these endings causing some happiness in your life. Nine of Cups, your wishes are going to be granted. Something new is coming in your life. You achieving some success in another area of your life, like career and whatever. But in relationship wise, I am seeing lot of drama, lot of confusion. You are stuck, okay. So the person involved in this connection could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, or Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. So let's see your person current feelings and the near future actions towards you. Then we will get more clarity. See under the deck, the Hanged Man. Definitely you are stuck. Let's see your person current feelings first. Aquarius. I think there is no commitment here. Emperor. Ace of Cups. Moon. Yeah. I think, see, Seven of Swords under the deck. They may be lied to you, cheated on you. This could be third party situation also. Yeah, the person may be stubborn. Yeah, Ace of Cups. I think love is there, but maybe he want both. Maybe you and another woman. That is the issue what I'm getting here. He don't want to lose another woman also for some, definitely. That's why you are feeling stuck. You don't know which decision you have to make. Yeah, the moon is here. You person could be, the person involved in this connection could be Pisces also. Definitely there are some secrets hidden in this connection. One person hides something from the other one. Yeah, and your person very stubborn, emperor. I think they are thinking to invest on this connection. They're thinking to coming back, but I think you are moving on, what I am seeing here, even though you have strong emotions for your person, what I am seeing here. Yeah, because Seven of Swords, sneaky energy. They may be played games with you, playing mind games. So let's see the near future actions towards you. Aquarius, your person near future actions towards you. Princess of Cups, Temperance, Four of Cups. I think your person, the person involved in this connection could be Sagittarius. Strong fire energy, fire sign. Yeah, they have emotions for you. Now they're recognizing emotions for you when you decided to move on from this person. And Four of Cups, definitely they are feeling sad for the missed opportunity with you, and they are waiting for the right time to come towards you, and they want to restore the balance in this connection. Temperance, they are waiting for the right time to come towards you, because they did something past, they hurt you. Definitely they did hurt you in past. That's why they are taking their time to come towards you. Yeah, there is love. Now they're realizing you both, what I'm seeing here, but you are decided to move on from this person. Yeah, you are stuck, literally you are in confusion, Aquarius. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed in near future. So the person involved in this connection could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, especially Pisces and Sagittarius. Ten of Cups. Yeah, communication. I think a lot of communication is going to be happen between both of you. Yeah, for some there will be reconciliation. They really want to give this Ten of Cups happiness to you, but you stand by your power. You are investing your energy on yourself. Yeah, Nine of Cups is there, Nine of Pentacles. Yeah, some luck is coming in your way in career, what I am seeing here. Yeah, see, career 9 to 10. Yeah, you are achieving a financial abundance, financial stability. Wow, Aquarius. You are in January month, you will receive more money and you will get more recognition for your work. Yeah, for some there will be reconciliation. Yeah, your person is coming back to offer this happiness to you. There is some communication coming in your way, Eight of Wands. For some there will be reconciliation, for sure. For some it depends upon your situation. Okay, the person involved in this connection could be Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. So let's see your overall energy for the month, Aquarius. Yeah, Knight of Cups, Devil, Five of Cups, Ace of Pentacles. Yeah, financial stability is coming, and abundance is also coming towards you, and long-term commitment. Yeah, they are coming to offer long-term commitment. You are also feeling sad for the separation because you have strong emotions for them. The Devil, there is obsession also. I think your person may be obsessed with you. That's why they are coming back. Knight of Cups, because when you decided to move on from that person, definitely they're feeling obsessed with you. Okay, and Knight of Cups, yeah, they have strong emotions for you. They're coming back with this offer. So let's see your person overall energy for the month, Aquarius. Four of Swords, Princess of Swords, Nine of Swords, Queen of, yeah, they want to share their life with you. They want to invest in this connection, because Queen of Pentacles and Nine of Swords, definitely they are feeling very sad. They are thinking about you a lot. Yeah, they are missing you so much. And Princess of Swords, spying, definitely they are spying on you on social media. And Four of Swords, right now your person undergoing some healing process. That's why the Temperance is here. They're taking their time before coming towards you, because they're scared maybe that you will reject their offer also. Okay, they are coming back with solid offer. They really miss you, what I'm seeing here, Aquarius. So let's see some extra messages from Oracle deck for you, Aquarius. Okay. Step out of your comfort zone. Okay. a time for healing. Yeah, it is time for healing for you both. I think your person also undergoing some healing. Time for you also feeling, time for healing, because you are also feeling stuck. That energy is also causing so much anxiety. Okay, it's time for healing and step out of your comfort zone. Yeah, because you are getting so much abundance, so much financial stability. If you work hard, when you come out of your comfort zone and working hard, definitely there will be result. Okay, because here financial abundance, and definitely you are working hard towards your goals. Yeah, um, the fruits are coming for your hard work, and it's time for healing. So it is time for you healing from past wounds, baggage, whatever. So this is the reading for your Aquarius. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon, then you will get all my video notification. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Bye.